चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the NDA partners will be staking claim to form the government on June 9th. The NDA allies met at the Prime Minister Modi's official residence 7 LKM yesterday. A key meet is also to be stated and to be there to take place tomorrow. UP CM Yogi Adityanath is also to be in the national capital by 7 p.m. today. We have our reporters giving us source-based information and I'm going to go across to them. We have Riyanka live from Nitish's residence. We have Soumya live from Nada residence. Gopi is live from Amit Shah's residence. And this becomes extremely crucial. I want to go across to Riyanka first. Riyanka, I want you to give us details at Nitish's residence. He is an ally in the NDA today. However, there have been a lot of meetings that have been happening. There's a political huddle been happening. Who all has Nitish been meeting since morning? And what is the sense you are picking up through your sources about what might happen next? What are the kind of portfolios they're asking for?
Well, since morning, several leaders have been coming at Nitish Kumar's residence to hold meetings and to congratulate him on the big win of the NDA alliance, him being the kingmaker of the entire matter. Now, to be very specific about the fact, we saw leaders like KC Tyagi, Ashok Chaudhary, they had all come in here to meet Nitish Kumar, and they have said that, particularly in terms of UCC and Agniveer, they still have to discuss on these lines to give support to the BJP on these particular matters. On the other hand, we are also getting to know that Nitish Kumar has called up on his JDU leaders who are still in Bihar. He has asked them to come to the national capital, and there will be a very crucial meeting tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. The meeting of the JDU parliamentary party that will be taking place at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow at Nitish Kumar's residence. And after that, there will be an NDA meeting following that. And what will be demanded? Well, demand for 4 ministerial berths, including eyeing on the railway ministry. So several such developments are taking place on as far as JDU is concerned.
Absolutely, Riyanka, stay with us. Let me also go across to Soumya, joining us live from Nada's residence. Soumya, we've seen a lot of people be here at the residence. There's been lots of conversation. I asked the same question to you. What is the talk of the portfolios that they've been asking for? What is the kind of reactions that you're looking at? And who all have been meeting at JB Nadda's house?
Yes, I'll request my video journalist to show. We are right outside JP Nadda's residence. You can see Amit Shah's protocol is still here. Big faces from BJP leadership were part of this meeting, like Prahlad Joshi, Piyush Goyal, Mansukh Mandavia, Ashwini Vaishnav, and Tarun Chugh and Vinod Tavre, Rajnath Singh. Everybody has left except for Amit Shah. This talk or this meeting was called because to chalk out the plan for the formation of a Modi government 3.0, since the allies partners, specifically JDU and TDP, have demanded big ministries yesterday. So yes, this meeting has been called for the same because on ground we have this information that Prime Minister Modi will stake claim of Modi government 3.0 tomorrow. So before that, this responsibility has been given to JP Nadda and Amit Shah to chalk out the plan in terms of who will get what ministry and what all other ministries will BJP will keep it to self. Back to you.
All right, thank you for that. I also want to go across to Amit Shah's residence where Gopi is joining us from. Gopi, what is it that you're picking up here?
10:45 is the time when Amit Shah had left from his residence to JP Nadda's residence, where we had seen top brass of BJP leaders participating in a meeting where Rajnath Singh and Amit Shah, both of them were present. Meanwhile, the Election Commission today is also going to meet the President Draupadi Murmu, where they are going to submit the list of MPs and the result of the 18th Lok Sabha elections. While in the evening, later in the evening today, we are expecting all the chief ministers and deputy chief ministers. They have started landing ending in Delhi, and there is a meeting scheduled at the BJP headquarters later in the evening. Back to you.